Hello friends, once again welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see in partnership accounts what is in the case of admission of a new partner. While admitting a new partner we have to calculate certain things. While admitting a partner we have to revalue the assets and liabilities of our firm. We have to calculate the goodwill and yeah, we have to calculate what is a new profit sharing ratio and what is our gaining or sacrificing ratio, not gaining ratio. What is sacrificing ratio? But in this video, we are going to see about how to calculate hidden goodwill. First of all, I will say what is meant by goodwill. Goodwill is a reputation earned by the firm in the market, not among their customers. While admitting a partner, for example, when A and B are continuing their old partner, they are doing a business for 10 long years. They have earned some reputations. For example, let me calculate the goodwill is 10,000. Now, when C was admitted, the goodwill of A and B is affected, and C has to compensate both the A and B. So he will bring some amount as a compensation for a goodwill. In some cases, they will directly give goodwill. Uh, Likewise, C brings 2 lakh as a capital and 1 lakh as a goodwill for his one third of the share. Like that, they will give. But in some cases, goodwill will be hidden. We have to calculate the value of a goodwill. For that, we have to use this formula: incoming partner capital into reciprocal of shares of an incoming partner. For example, incoming partner's capital is 1 lakh and is then we take this example. A and B are a partners of a capital 7,000 each. They admitted C as a partner with 1/4 of the share in the profit of their firm. C brings 8,000 as a capital. So incoming partner's capital is 8,000 for 1/4 of the share into reciprocal of share of incoming partner. So 4 by 1. That is 8,000. Yeah, 8,000 into 4 by 1. We will get 32,000. Assume here is it is 32,000 less total capital after taking into consideration the capital brought in by the incoming partner, which means uh, the capital of all the three partners, 7,000 plus 7,000 plus 8,000 equal to 32,000. So the value of a goodwill is 22,000. Value of a goodwill is 32,000 minus 22,000 is 10,000. See, they have used this formula. Finally, we get 10,000 as a total goodwill. Among that, C has brought 1/4 of the share. So 10,000 into 1 by 4, 2,500. He bought 2,500 as a compensation for his goodwill to A and B. So um, mm, he has gained. He is he is compensating to A and B. So C's capital 2,500. A and B they both share their capital equally. So 1,250. This is an important topic while calculating a hidden goodwill. For further videos, please subscribe my channel so that you will not miss out any videos in my channel. Thank you.